Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are making that is mango pulihora. For that, in a pan I have took here around 4 to 5 tablespoon of oil. For this we need a large amount of or the more amount of oil. Now after oil gets hot, now I'll be adding the peanuts. Fry them until somewhat their color change, not much. Then take it off. We will add in the last so that it maintains its crunchiness. So here now I have added the jeera, rai, moong dal, chana dal and urad dal. So now let they fry to the golden color. Then add around 8 to 10 green chilies so that they maintain the spiciness of the rice. Now add curry leaves. Let them fry for just 1 to 2 minutes. That's enough. Now after that they are fried, add around 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. So after turmeric powder, let it fry. Now the grated mango, around 2 large raw mango I'm using here. Now let it cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. You can see here it's cooked completely. Then I've added here rice, boiled rice I'm using here. So now mix it well, add the peanuts. Now if you are adding the peanuts at the last so that the peanuts maintains its crunchiness, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and this is the hashtag to 30 days challenge.